Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are in Dress to Impress free plane mode, and we're going to be recreating Nova from Zombies Dawn of the Vampires. So let's go ahead and get the skin tone. We already got it, perfect. Alright, now let's go ahead and get a hair. In the movie she has like an updo ponytail, so we just need to start the ponytail, and I think this one right here will work perfectly. So let's just go ahead and make that blonde. And yes, she also has some braids in like her ponytail, but I don't know what to use. So I'm just gonna try this braid hairstyle and see how it looks, make it all blonde, and then okay, let's look at the back. Oh, that looks like a rat's nest. We don't want that. Please take it off. Thank you. Alright, now let's go ahead and get our custom makeup face. Alright, so I'm gonna check if I already have a face that I could use, but looks like I don't. So I'm gonna have to make a completely new custom face. So let's go ahead and get her some eyes. Don't know which ones to use really. All I know is that she has blue eyes, so let's go ahead and I think these ones will work right here. And get some nice thin brows, keep them the same color, and now the lips. This is gonna be kind of tough because I have no clue what kind of lips to use. So maybe you can try these ones too. No, those are just ugly. Alright, this is kind of good. I like the lip liner, but it's not really giving Nova, you know? Alright, these ones just look weird as heck. Okay, these ones work. These ones are pretty cute. Keep them the same color. Now we're gonna get some contour slash bronzer. Get a jawline. Alright. I think we need a nose. So let's try this one. This one's cute, but I feel like it's too close to the lips. Oh, wait, they're all like that. Okay, let's just stick with this one. And then now we need a little bit of blush because it just makes it cuter, you know? This is the finished Freya slash Nova makeup look. Now let's go ahead and get some nails. I'm just going to color the nails white. Pretty simple, easy. Alright, now let's go ahead and get our actual outfit. I'm going to start with the shoes because the shoes are right here. And let's go ahead and get these little sneakers. Make them red and white. Red and then red. No, that's ugly. Let's make it white. And then we'll make the laces white as well. Alright, now let's go ahead and get the skirt. Go over to the skirt section, and this black one I think will work here because it's like a small belt. And I need a specific pattern for this. I know which one I want, but I'm not sure like where it is. I think it's kind of old, so I'm gonna scroll kind of further to the bottom, and alright, here it is. Alright, perfect. Let's go ahead and put that on, apply that, and then we're gonna make the belts and other accents white. Now we're gonna go ahead to VIP. And we're gonna get this shoulder shawl thing, whatever, make it white. This is kind of hard if you don't have VIP to create this. I'm not sure how you create this, but I'm sure someone else knows how to make something like this. And perfect. Now we're gonna go ahead and get the top. I'm gonna get this pink tube top and make it red instead. I think this is honestly pretty good, but she has like a collar moment, and I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that, but I think this one might work pretty good. Make it red. This could work, but she has like an opening kind of like by the tube top. I don't know. Let's try this tube top here, and we're gonna try and make it the same color as the skin tone to make it look better. I don't know. Alright, but I need to get my hex code for my skin tone, so let's go ahead and get that. I have this skin tone right here, color wheel. Alright, this is the hex code. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that and apply that to the other tube top that I have. So let's get this one and then paste it. Copy, paste. Alright. Oh, okay. It did not work. That is just great. Okay, let's try this again. I'm gonna delete this hex code and put in a new one. Still doesn't work. Alright. I'm not sure. Let's try and get like another something maybe. Like, I don't know. Maybe this shawl right here. Yeah. Alright, let's go ahead and make that white. Maybe that'll help a little bit. Yeah. No. Okay. Let's go ahead and try this hex code again. So, copy this, and then... Alright. Copy, Control-C, then make this Control-V. Alright. It still doesn't work. Alright. Try one more time. No, that's not working. Alright. So, I'm gonna try and just remember this code, write it down, whatever. Alright, D8, 9, F7, E, lowercase e. Okay, I'm gonna write this down and then we're gonna apply it to the tube top. So let's get, or the turtleneck top. Alright, D8, 9, F, E, 7. Alright, did it work? It worked. But that is just ugly. That is ugly. We don't like that. Alright. Okay, let's remove this top. And I think this works. I like this. But maybe no, I think it's okay. Let's just pose, and that is our finished look for Freya Nova. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.